In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add favorite channels on Xfinity Stream. First you need to do is you need to head over to your actual device and then go to your Google Play Store or App Store, and then from in there, search for Xfinity Stream. Once you're in there, just head over and click on the install option in order to install the actual app onto your device. Once you have it installed, you just need to add your favorite channels from there. So from here, I have in here this guide that can help us. So on your remote, press the guide button once to access the main guide. You can click on the guide right here and you can see all the TV listings on specific times, and you can see the channel from there. From in here, you can just press on the left arrow button in the remote to highlight the channel and press OK. So from in there, use the right arrow button to highlight favorite. So in here you can see the favorites option and click on the OK on the remote to add a channel to your favorite. And as you can see right here, this will be added to your favorite. So you can just hover to a specific channel and then click until you can see the favorite option and click on OK in order to add it directly from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.